Hey guys, Jared here with Trident Fly Fishing, and today we're going to be tying a classic saltwater flats fly, the Crazy Charlie. It's a fly that's been around, I think, for 30 or 40 years now, originally tied by Charlie Smith down in the Bahamas. I've never fished for bonefish, but I do really like to fish this for striper and even crappie. I like it in pink, white, tan, and black. And today I think we're going to tie it on a size 4. The typical sizes are 4, 6, and 8, but I tie it up to a size 2. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is just start our thread. And I'm going to start it right here, about an eye's length back. And we're going to attach our eyes first. So I like to create just a little thread bump to kind of pull it into. A couple wraps there, here, and then figure 8 it. Make sure they're straight on there. Then just bring the thread back to the bend here. And we're going to tie in our underbody, which is going to be Crystal Flash in a pink. So I'm just going to grab like 4 or 5 strands. Tie them in right up behind the bead chain eyes. You don't have to be too neat here because it's just an underbody. Next, I'm going to tie in the vinyl rib, and it's a D rib, and there's a flat and a round side to it. You just want to tie it with the flat side down. Just make it so when you wrap it forwards, the round side is up. Alright. The nice thing about this pink thread is that it's going to show through, because both the Crystal Flash and the D rib are more or less clear. Give it a nice translucence in the water. Build up a slight taper if you can. Go back, forwards, and tie that off behind the bead chain eyes. Alright, so for tying in the D rib, just move your thread forward of the bead chain eyes so that when we wrap it forward, we get to the eyes, we'll just kind of figure 8 it through the eyes. Just makes a nice little clean fly and helps hold the eyes down. It's just over, around, over again. Tie it down. Pull it up, trim it off. Now for the wing, I'm just going to rotate the fly and grab a little bunch of calf tail. So I have like a neon pink, but you can tie it in tan or white or yellow, black. Pink seems to be one of my better producing colors. So just grab that clump, and I like these pretty sparse. You can tie them thicker depending on what you're trying to represent. So just measure the wing so that it extends just past the hook bend, and then transfer that and trim the butts. Make sure you strip out all the short hairs so you get a cleaner tie-in point. No added bulk. It's just a loose wrap around. Check my placement. I don't want any over the hook eye. Tighten those down. Alright. Next I'm going to grab 2 strands of Crystal Flash. Fold them over my thread and tie them in on top. You can add this, you don't have to. I like to add it now, and then if I need to, adjust my fly later. and take out some flash, it's easy to take it out. So just trim those to just a little bit past the calf tail, and then just whip finish. And then just apply a little bit of head cement. Oop, a little much. If you ever get head cement in the eye here and you need to clear it out, you just take some of your extra materials and pull it through, and it cleans it up pretty well. And that's it. That's Crazy Charlie. It's a great bonefish pattern, but I like to fish it for stripers up here in Maine. It works well as a point fly in the typical position of a teaser, so in front of a streamer, or if you like to drift multiple flies, 2 of those in a streamer is excellent. Thanks for watching, guys.